So I'm going to take its window, and then of course I'm going to click on the extract, and that's of course the table, which is of course exported into Excel, and this is of course editable. Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan, and in this video we'll be using PDF Blueprint to extract tables and maybe text from PDF file. First, what you have to do is to install PDF Blueprint. This is completely free. You can go ahead and download it from the link given below in the video description. I'm going to double click on the PDF Blueprint icon, which is available on the desktop. Now I'm going to open a file. So I'm going to click on the file and then of course open. Now I'm going to specify the file, which is of course on the desktop, and that's of course the property table. I'm going to click on that, and then of course I'm going to click on the open. And this is the same file. As you can see, this is a property, and this is the table containing the point number, and then of course the easting and northing. Now what I actually need is to extract the same table and of course these informations which are in the text form. So I'm going to click on the OCR drop down, and then of course I'm going to click on the extract text. Now if you don't know what to do, look at the command bar. Left click to specify the first corner. It means I'm going to take its window, and then of course that's the same dialog box. It means the text has been extracted. Now I'm going to click on the copy all, and then of course that's been copied to the clipboard, so I can paste it anywhere, maybe into the Google, maybe into the Excel file, or maybe into the Word file. That's the same thing. Next, let me just try the same functionality, which is of course the table extraction. So I'm going to click on the OCR drop down, and then of course extract table. Now this is the same process. What I need is to take its window, and then of course the same dialog box, extract table. Here are some options: the export mode, and of course we can change the path, and then of course this checkbox. In the export mode, I want to export the same table into new Excel file, and then of course I'm going to change the save path by clicking these three dots, and then of course on the desktop, and I'm going to name this table as the coordinates, and then of course I'm going to click on the save. And let me just check this box so we can open the file after extraction automatically. So I'm going to click on the extract now, and of course the PDF Blueprint is going to extract those points, or you can say the table, and this is of course editable. You can see it. So this is how we can use PDF Blueprint to extract text, or maybe to extract tables from the given PDF file. See you in the next video.